Students, today we are going to learn about the third chapter of 10th class, that is polynomials. So in this polynomial, the definition of polynomial is given as polynomials are algebraic expressions constructed using commas and variables. Now if I take an example of this, so example is given as 5x plus 1, or we can write as x square plus 2x plus 3. These are the examples of the polynomials. Now when we call it as a polynomial, when we call it as not a polynomial. For that you have a note: if the powers of any expression is of positive integer is a polynomial. Means if you have any positive integers of a powers is a polynomial. Now if I write the same example as 1 by x, can I say 1 by x is a polynomial? No. So it is not a polynomial. Because next if I go for the second example, that is x to the power of minus 2 plus 2x is a polynomial? No, because the power of any expression should be positive, but here what we are getting? Negative. So it is not a polynomial. So like this we are identifying whether the given expression is a polynomial or not. Next, coming to the next topic is degree of polynomial. So in this degree of polynomial, the highest power of x in the polynomial p of x is called degree of polynomial, right? Now if I take the example here, that is ax plus b. Now what is the degree here? So degree is given as, here you have a variable, always you have to find the degree from the variable, not the constant, right? That is degree is 1. If I take another example, that is 3x square plus 2x plus 3. Now what is the degree? So degree is 2, because highest power of the variable is 2. That's why the answer is 2. So we next one, if it is of the monomial, means monomial type, that is 3x square y cube z. Now how to find the degree of this? Now to find the degree of any monomial, add all the powers, where the power of z is not given, so we are assuming this as 1. If I add all the power, that is 2 plus 3 plus 1, so overall I am getting a 6. So what is my degree? So degree is equal to 6, right? So in this polynomial we have different degree types of degrees. One is here linear polynomial. So what is linear polynomial? If the degree is 1. If the degree is 1 is a linear polynomial. If I take an example, that is 3x plus 1, ax plus b, or 4x plus 5. These are the examples of linear polynomial. Next is here quadratic polynomial. Now as per the quadratic definition of quadratic polynomial, if the degree is 2, for example, if I take ax square plus bx plus c, or 3x square plus 2x plus 1. where the degrees of these two variables are 2. That's why it is a quadratic polynomial. Okay, next one is cubic polynomial. Now what is cubic polynomial? If the degree is 3, right? Now if I take an example here, that is 3x cube plus 4. Now here the degree is 3, that's why it is a cubic polynomial, or else we can write as L cube minus L square minus P, right? So these are the types of the polynomials which have degrees. Based on the degrees, you have linear polynomial, quadratic polynomial and cubic polynomial. Next topic is value of polynomial. Now what is value of polynomial? So if p of x is a polynomial in x and if k is a real number, then the value obtained by replacing x by k in p of x is called value of p of x at x is equal to k, right? So this is the definition of value of polynomial. For example, if your question is given as p of x is equal to 2x plus 3, now you have to find what is the value of p of 0 and p of 1, right? Now here in the place of x, what they have given, x is equal to 0 and x is equal to 1. See this, the place of x we have given 0 and the place of x you have to find the value of 1. Now if I substitute p of 0, that is in the place of x, if I substitute 0, that is 2 of 0 plus 3, 2 zeros are 0 plus 3, so answer is 3. Now if I substitute p of 1, that is in the place of x, if I substitute 1, you will get 2 into 1 is 2, 2 plus 3 is 5. So like this we are finding the value of polynomial. So next topic is zero of polynomials. Right, now what is zero of polynomial? Next, so a real number k is said to be a zero of a polynomial p of x if p of k is equal to 0. Now if I take an example, that is show that minus 3 and 3 are the zero of polynomial of p of x is equal to x square minus 9, right? Now what is x value? Minus 3. Here what is x value? Plus 3. What we have to show? We have to show whether it is a zero of polynomial. As per the definition of zero of polynomial, if you substitute any value of x, you should get is equal to 0. Now if I take x is equal to minus 3 as a first value, that is p of minus 3 is equal to minus 3 square minus 9. So minus 3 square is 9 minus 9 is equal to 0. Next, if I substitute p of 3, that is 3 square minus 9. 3 square is 9. 9 minus 9 equal to 0. So we can say therefore minus 3 and 3 are 0 of polynomial. So like this we are finding the zero of polynomial. So in the previous we have learned the value of polynomial, then degree of polynomial and polynomials. So let me recap what is polynomial. So polynomial is the degree of expression constructed using constant and variables. Now for example 3x plus 1 or 4x square plus 3x plus 2. Now coming to a degree of polynomial. So degree of polynomial is a polynomial which have the highest power of polynomial p of x. So there are three types of polynomials based on your degrees. Linear polynomial if you have a degree 1, next quadratic polynomial if you have the degree 2, cubic polynomial if the degree have 3. Next, coming to the next topic is value of polynomial. So value of polynomial is nothing but if p of x is a polynomial in x, if you substitute the real number k in the place of x is called the value of polynomial. Next, zero of polynomial. So zero of polynomial is nothing but a real number k is said to be a zero of polynomial if p of k is equal to 0. So these are the topics we have covered. So in the next class we'll learn about in exercise 1. Thank you.